Okay, I'll be showing you how to change CMOS battery. First open your laptop, take out the battery and other necessary parts, RAM, Wi-Fi module, SSD and so on. You might be in trouble if there are a lot of screws, so take all of them out like I did. I took out the secondary storage. Here in my case it is alright. So pop out the keyboard, take out the keyboard, so there are two screws behind the keyboard, so you should take those out. After that all of the screws are off, so I can pop the case out or separate the case. So you also do that. Be careful while taking out the case because it could break. So here I took out the case and now I'll be changing the CMOS battery. So in my laptop you might be different from mine, so check. So CMOS battery voltage must be greater than 3 volt. So in my damaged battery there is 2.15 and in good battery 3.06. so I'll replace the battery on the CMOS battery section. So just cleaning the dust if there any. Change the battery, and I repaired my speaker too because my speaker was damaged, so I replaced from another computer. So if you have any issue, just connecting, we need to connect the wires, nothing more. So I just connected 2 wires, so repaired my speaker too. Okay, there's some soldering going on, so I'll put the CMOS again and double tape to stick the speaker to its place. So I'm putting the speakers. You can also repair your speakers if damaged. If we go to repair shop to make this, they will charge you about 1000 to 2000 Nepali rupees or $10 to $20. So now I'm putting all the things back. Still a lot of screws to put on, so that is terrible thing to do, because when you have a lot of screws it is high chance of getting missed. The screws might fall and get lost. That will give you trouble. So inserting the keyboard, be careful while inserting the keyboard because the flex cable is too weak. It could break or bend. When bent or break, it might not work properly. So place the keyboard properly, and I'll put the RAM, Wi-Fi module and SSD back and put the cover back in the laptop. Here I put the SSD back on. There are still a lot of screws left, so placed all the screws in their place, and so that it would be easy for me to screw them quickly. So I put the CD drive back. Now I am screwing all the screw and tightening them so that they will not fall out. Okay, big relief after all this being placed back. Battery back. I put battery back in the laptop and I turn on the computer. So this way you can change the CMOS battery. So I turn it on to test that. I might not, if I have destroyed it or made it work. So I found that it is working properly, no issues, and the CMOS battery worked without any issue. So I'm happy to help you. Thanks for watching and love you guys. So keep following me. Thank you.